Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about foods you should never freeze. Some foods just don't survive the deep freeze and can turn into a total disaster. Let's dive in. Number 1 are water-rich veggies. Raw vegetables with high water content like lettuce, cucumbers, radishes, and celery. These turn mushy and nasty when thawed. Trust me, the last thing you want is a soggy salad or wasted freezer space. Number 2 are eggs. Eggs can be tricky. According to the USDA, fresh eggs can be frozen for up to a year. But once thawed, use them immediately. However, don't even bother freezing hard-boiled eggs or cooked egg whites. They turn rubbery and gross. Number 3 are potatoes. Thinking of freezing raw or boiled potatoes? Think again. The texture becomes watery, mealy, and sometimes even black. Yikes, not worth the risk. Number 4 are soft cheeses. Soft cheeses like cottage cheese, ricotta, and feta do not freeze well. They turn grainy and lose their creamy texture. Same goes for sour cream and mayo unless they're part of a sauce. Number 5 are sweets and fried foods. Cake icings made with egg whites, cream fillings, or soft frostings. Nope, they don't hold up in the freezer. And if you love fried food, freezing will make it soft and oily, definitely not crispy. Freezing food is a great way to preserve it, but not everything belongs in the freezer. Were you surprised by any of these? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more kitchen tips. See you next time.